Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2016 BMW R1200RS. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this BM. It is HPI clear, it does come with a spare key in the pack. What we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around it for you. So it does have an adjustable screen on the front. So I'll have a look at the front. You can see it's got the Brembo ABS brakes on it. Let's get a look at all the plastics on it. It's got the engine protection bars on. It is in white and blue. This does have a main stand as well, centre stand, as well as the side stand. These are shaft driven, so no chain and sprocket. Let's get a look at the back wheel and the back brake as well. Have a look at the plastics at the back. It has got the rack on, so you can fit top box on and side panniers. And get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Let's move around to the back. Now let's get a look on the right hand side. I'll get a good look in at the engine on this side. Look at the exhaust as well, and the back wheel from this side. This has got the dynamic ESA suspension on it, electronically adjusted with different riding modes. Let's get a look at the condition of the plastics on the right hand side at the front. And we'll finish off with the front wheel from this right hand side. And there you go. What we'll do, take a look at the controls and get the mileage off it as well. Okay, let's have a close look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, throttle, front brake reach is adjustable on there. You've got your mode button, heated grips as well, and your start button and your kill switch is ready for a BMW sat nav as well. And over on the left hand side we've got the clutch, again that's fully adjustable on there. You've got your cruise controls on there, your lights, trip and info, ABS and your suspension buttons on there. And you've also got your indicators and your horn, and you've also got this jog wheel as well, which works the controls on the dash. So we'll pop the ignition on, let's have a see what the mileage is. So it's done 36,848. You can see there you've got the road setting dynamic mode as well on there for the ESA on that. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos or anything you want to see close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.